Poble Espanyol, the Spanish village, was constructed for the World's Exposition of 1929 with the intention of demonstrating the architecture and essence of the Spanish culture, consisting of 117 full-scale buildings where we find shops, restaurants, artisans' workshops and much, much more. On the day of our visit, it was to be the venue for a concert that evening, so our view of the town hall across the square was obstructed by the stage, and the sound checks did nothing to enhance the atmosphere. There were not too many visitors around. However, there were a few parties of school children enjoying an educational visit. These steps are similar to the steps at Santiago de Compostela in Spain's Galicia region, which is known as one of the world's most famous pilgrimage locations. Had it not have been for the concert sound checks, there are a number of spots to enjoy quiet relaxation. Once the noise of the concert preparations had ceased, it was lovely to wander down the narrow streets of what could be Andalusia and discover beautiful areas from various regions of Spain. Fiesta is a brilliant AV presentation showcasing many famous Spanish events. Many of the restaurants have a courtyard, which is typical of Spanish properties. Just the place to linger over a quiet cup of coffee. Now to one of the artisans' workshops. Here, craftsmen make it look so easy, producing items that can be found for sale in many of the gift shops. So it's back to the streets, alleyways and village squares to admire the diversity of architectural styles representing different regions of Spain. One can see the Arab influence in this replica of the bell tower from Zaragoza. The original plan was to take down all of the buildings following the closure of the 1929 exposition. However, its huge public success and critical acclaim has resulted in it being maintained right up to the present day, and it is one of the most attractive places to visit in Barcelona. Well, there may just be time for an ice cream before bidding farewell to Poble Espanyol.